All right, so I want to show you some of the more fancy things you can do here with the paid version of Screencast-O-Matic and video editing. So I've opened the video editor here in Screencast-O-Matic. And first thing I'm going to do is I've got an image here that is layered over the top of a video. So I can see down here um, the length and duration of that image. So I want to show you how to do that. I can go in and add anything using the tools. So I just need to pop open the little tools menu here, and then I can add in overlay, I can add an image. So if I select something from my own files, I can go in here and I'll grab something from my stealth bits. Let's see, I need to be able to see the logo here, primary. All right. Should have grabbed one ahead of time so I'd know what I was grabbing, but I'll just grab one of my logo files here and I'll move that into place where I want it. So now that is a new layer, and that new layer comes in over the top of, and I can see in my layering here that I've got my cursor on the very top if I'm showing it, which I'm not. I've got the image, I've got another image, and then I have the main video, and those are all layered. And I can see here my SBPM logo is coming all the way out to the 5-second mark. My other image is stopping at about 1 second, so I can drag this back a little bit to have it kind of fade out. So I'll hit done there. And then I can make some decisions about the styles. Now this is a PNG image, meaning that it has a transparent background on it. I can crop it down if I want to. I can even kind of zoom in and out on it right here. So those options are there, or I can reset it. I can decide on the style in which it shows. So if I click on style, I can see whether to modify the shape or add a shadow. Like I can do none, or I can do it, make it so it's fuzzy. Notice because this is a PNG, it actually puts the shadow right around the logo, or I can do a solid drop shadow there. So I'll do that. Hit done again, and it brings me back out to this menu. Now I can decide on my transition or animation styles as it comes in and out of the frame. So maybe on its way out, as I'm seeing it disappear, I can decide on which type I want to use. So I could have it pop out, fade out, or put none on it. So I'll just leave that as a fade, hit done. And then I have some additional image options like removing the color or flipping it horizontal, that kind of thing. Okay, and then I also have control over the opacity. So if I go back to, and I'm just going to move my little view slider here. Oh, come on, back to the beginning. No, that's not what I want. I want this guy. There we go. So I can decide on my opacity here, meaning whether that shows, and it looks like it has moved my layering. Let me put that back on top. All right, I have to select my video, go back. All right, let's preview this because I can see it right there. And I can see in the layering that it is correct. So I'm going to move that back. Oh, I see what I've done. I've moved the actual starting point. Okay, so I'm going to move that back and move this back a little bit. And now I have that all set up. Okay. So again, if I wanted to change the opacity, I could make it so that it's more or less transparent. Right there, of course, this is a logo, so I want to keep it kind of front and center. And now it's good to go. So now if I hit play, I can see when those images fade out. So this hand washing image, I can click. COVID-19 is affecting communities all around. And so you notice my logo disappears slightly after the image disappears and goes into the video.
COVID-19 is affecting communities all around the
And it
world.
just kind of fades out.